Some journeys take us farther than we ever imagined. Throughout my career, I have had the privilege of traveling to some of the most extraordinary and remote places on Earth. Places of immense beauty, where nature reminds us how small we are. India is every contrast at once, chaos and stillness, marble and dust, the old and the urgent. I have walked through forests protecting the memory of ancient civilizations, and stood before monuments created by people who dare to imagine the impossible. But what made these journeys truly remarkable was never only the destination. It was the people I met along the way. Urologists from different countries and cultures. All driven by the same purpose, to improve patients' lives. Every meeting became an opportunity to listen, to learn, and to share. And I kept discovering that talent is everywhere. Curiosity is universal, and like the monarchs, whatever you give away finds its way home. Because knowledge grows when we share it. Even at the deepest point on Earth, the journey is still about discovery. From space, something becomes beautifully clear. Our planet has no borders, and neither does medicine. Innovation grows when experience travels, ideas are challenged, and knowledge is shared from one surgeon to another. After all these journeys, the places that shaped me most were not the most distant. One is my own operating room in Madrid. This is where every journey begins and where every lesson returns. Welcome to ICUA. Here, our doors are always open to colleagues from around the world, because teaching is never a one-way journey. Every visitor comes to learn, and every visitor takes us somewhere new. The other is Bulgaria, my second home. For 17 years, I have flown to Sofia every single month. 4 days, 25 or 30 patients each visit. More than 5,000 patients operated by now. And over those years, countless urologists from all over the world came to visit us there. People assume those trips were about giving. Let me tell you the truth, doing one surgery after another, 4 days in a row, month after month, is the most extraordinary school a surgeon can attend. No fellowship comes close. Because here is what Bulgaria taught me, and it took me years to see it. Teaching teaches the teacher far more than the student. I went to Sofia to teach. Sofia ended up teaching me. And so the journey ends where it began, with a flight. Enucleation arrived in Brazil some years ago with the Brazilian urologists who came to us to learn in Madrid and in Sofia, and then returned home and started teaching. Today they are the ones giving the courses, training the residents, pushing the technique forward across this country, better than I ever could. Nothing in my career makes me prouder than landing in Curitiba and seeing with my own eyes the impact of sharing. Thank you. Obrigado.